welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video will be amazing. Today in this video I am going to show you how to restore iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus. If forget Apple ID password without compute, without PC, without any third party software. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. Before start the video, firstly you should subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech video. Simply tap on setting and scroll it up, and then tap on general and scroll back and tap on transfer or reset option and transfer reset res, and then all content in setting, and then continue, and then he is asked, and then click on erase anywhere, and then passcode for this iPhone, uploading data to iCloud, and then you click on skip backup. You can see appears on screen Apple ID, password and passcode then given. How to reset iPhone without Apple ID password? Simply go back and tap on again setting, tap on again on setting and scroll back and tap on again general and tap on again transfer or reset, and then again you will erase and then transfer and erase all content settings, continue, and then click on erase anywhere, and then enter your iPhone passcode, and then he will ask you, and then forward password, enter your iPhone passcode, again your Apple ID password, tap on text, turn and wait for 5 to 10 seconds, turn off, again tap on and turn off. You can see appears on screen as iPhone. You can see appears on screen restore iPhone without password. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to how to factory reset iPhone 8 and 8 Plus if you are forgot your Apple ID password without computer, without phone number and email verification. If video is helpful for you, please do not share and do not forget the share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And if any problems, let me comments on the box.